Hey guys, so today I am going to be filming a huge PO box slash PR unboxing video because over December I kind of neglected opening my PO box stuff because I wasn't really here very much because I was either back home and then me and Alex went away for Christmas and all that stuff, so I didn't really get to open much stuff and I've just kind of collected it all together and I realised there was quite a lot, so I was about to open it all and then I thought, you know what, it might be more fun if we do it together and we do a big surprise PO box unboxing video together. So before I start, give this video a thumbs up if you do like this idea and you'd like me to gather together my PO box bits more often and open them on camera with you guys without showing my address. This is the first package and I'm just gonna open it up and see what is inside. I see Makeup Revolution. That is always exciting. Ooh, I haven't seen this. I don't know how new any of this is because like I said, I've had this these things were all sent throughout December, so I don't know if they're super new now, but I mean I've never seen these before. These are the Makeup Revolution, what are they? Oh, Pro HD Amplified palettes. Have you guys seen these before? Probably. I'm probably really late on this, but they look cool. So this is a Better Than My Future palette. What is it? They're highlighters. Ooh, oh my god. Look at that, it's like an ombre highlighter. And then we've got some of these that are mixtures of bronzy shades and yeah, they look really nice. These would probably actually work quite well as a really highlighty bronze. Would that work? Probably not actually. Anyway, so that is the first one. This, wow. Wow. This is the Glow Getter palette. And again, it's 8 highlighters. These are more my kind of shades. They're a lot paler. Look at this wheel. That is the most beautiful wheel I've ever seen in my life. I'm so excited to try these. Oh my god, I just flipping love Makeup Revolution highlighters and I now have a lot to test. I think I'm gonna have to do a video soon with some of their new stuff. Is this Makeup Revolution as well? I never know. You know, I heart, how do you say I heart makeup? That's the one. Is that Makeup Revolution? I never really know. Anyway, I've also been sent the I Heart Makeup chocolate Elixin, I don't even know. Looks like a flipping chocolate bar. I don't think I've ever had one of those palettes that look like chocolate. That is cool packaging. So I'm guessing, yeah, this is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Oh my god, this would have been so nice for autumn. Doesn't that just look like autumn? You've got burgundy shades, some burnt orange shades. It looks so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. These are definitely the kind of shades that I like, so yeah. This isn't Makeup Revolution, is it? No, who is this? Buxom. I have never heard of this. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, it's a little eyeshadow palette, which looks so pretty. You've got some really nice shimmery bronzy shades. What's this? It's empty. Huh? Oh, I see. You put it together yourself. Oh, we're going in. I will do this. I will do it. Nope, I don't think I can. Okay, I'm trying really hard, but I actually can't get that in. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But I mean, we've got some of them in, just half of it hanging out. And then it also comes with one of their lip glosses, I think. Is it a lip gloss? Yeah. I'm excited to try these products because like I said, I have never heard of it. Where does this come? Oh, that came from the eyeshadow thing. I was like, oh, where did you come from? I'm excited to try it, basically. Yes. It's literally like Christmas. It's like I'm opening presents in front of you guys again. It's just so that is a nice colour of pink. Oh my goodness. It's from Benefit. Oh, swanky. Look at that box. So it says, Goodbye January Blues. Hello, Pearly Pink Hues. So this is their Pearl Primer. So it's one of their professional primers. But they've now released a pink one, which is a pearl version. So yeah, I'm excited to try this version of it. It just looks like this in the tube and it's probably just, it's sealed up. I can't be asked to open it. They're like little coasters. Oh my god, that is so adorable. So in this PR package, they've sent it with these little coasters. So this one says, aside from food, you're my favourite. This one says, you're awkward but in a cute way, like an elevator ride, but with puppies. Oh, they're so cute. I can't take my eyes off you unless, of course, you notice me. Then I'll quickly look away and act like it never happened. And then this one says, I honestly don't know anyone like you except for me. You're a lot like me, which I absolutely love. Yeah, so that's really cute. And then obviously it comes in this very nice box. So this is the next one. What have we got in here? Ooh. So I've got a package from the people over at Zoella Beauty. Oh my god, that's so exciting. These always excite me so much. And this is from the winter range, and I never tried anything from the winter collection. Like, I never got anything, so I am so excited. So we've got a little card in here. It says, "Happy holidays. I hope you enjoy these festive treats from my new collection." I can't even read. From my new Christmas collection, love Zoe. And then we've got the little like press release here with all of the products. And obviously, like, these were her Christmas things, so I am a bit late with this. But like I said, I was obviously sent it in December, but I'm only just opening it now. Let's have a look at them anyway. I'm really excited to try some of these. We've got the Winter Wonder hand cream. Oh my god. Oh my god, it smells good. This is probably the thing that I wanted the most. I've always wanted one of these because I just think they're so handy. They're the We're on a Roll rollable perfumes. I just think that's such a good idea. I like this one. So this is the Snoella one, so this is the newest one, I think, isn't it? This is the Blissful Mistful. Oh, that one is nice. And then this is the gelato one, which, like I said, I've already tried. And I don't know why I'm rubbing them on my hand, by the way. I know you're supposed to do it like here. Yeah, I love that one. We've also, I can see a flipping cracker. We'll get onto the cracker at the end, but first there is this, which is the Brew Me a Bath tea bags and splash of milk bath milk powder. Oh my god, so this is in like a little set that obviously they did for Christmas. You can literally make a cup of tea, like you've got your tea bags and you've got your milk, like be drinking your bath water. Don't do that. That's probably not recommended. This is the You're Cracking 3 Cracking Beauty Treats bathing essentials thing. It's a flipping cracker. Should I pull it with myself? I don't think it's that sort of cracker though that will actually pull. So the first thing we've got is the Snow Fresh body wash. Oh, we've got another Winter Wonder hand cream, so I ain't gonna run out of that anytime soon because I got 2 of these now. And then the final thing is this body lotion. This is the Snow Silky body lotion. Oh, they all look so cute, and look at that. Look at the packaging, it's just so nice. They look so cute together. But yeah, I'm so thankful for that. Oh my god. Okay, so next I'm just gonna open up this little bag. Ooh. So these are a load of products from MUA. These are their... Oh, okay. MUA Luxe launch light luster highlighters. Oh no, so this one's had a bit of an accident in the post. Unfortunately, that does sometimes happen. This one has actually smashed, but these are their light luster highlight duos. So this one you get a pink and a purple. This is the other one. So you've got like this, it's like a slightly gold colour, but it looks like it would be pale enough for me. And then this sort of champagne-y kind of colour. These look so pretty. Oh, I'm really excited to try them. And then we've also got some more highlighters. Oh my god, they look like bottles of paint. These are their light luster liquid highlights. So basically the same things but in like a liquid format. So these are a couple more bits from MUA, and these are actually concealers. Look at this. It's a flipping wheel of concealer colours. Like, you've got some like normal concealer shades, and then you've got some that are for like colour correcting and stuff like that. Like some yellows, greens, blue, purple. Ooh, we've got a little sponge. Oh. They're powders. Oh my god, okay, that's confusing. How do you colour correct with powder? I have absolutely no idea, but basically these are their Pro Base Prime and Conceal Correcting Powders. You've got a green, a purple, a yellow and an orange. I've got a few bits like in this box that I received throughout December. Like, I've opened them up, but I haven't like properly looked through. I don't know how you say it. I think it's like Lumen. And I've got the Colour Correcting CC Cream. This is a watercolour blush. It's like a little squeezy tube. That looks like a really pretty colour as well. I don't really know. Do you add water to it? Oh my goodness. This could be fun to try in a video. It'll probably go really wrong, but yeah, I still need to try that. So that'll be good to test out. And then, oh yeah, I forgot about these. I received honey in my PO box. Not like body honey, like, is that even a thing? Body honey? Yeah, I thought it was like skin honey. Honey that you put like on your skin to like do good things to it. I'm sure that's a thing. But then I looked into it a bit more, and this is actually food honey. But yeah, this is the Nordic honey, and it's so like nicely presented. I should have like potentially given this to someone as a Christmas gift, because I feel like that would have been so nice, and I probably won't eat it myself, and there is something in my eye. I might actually just have a quick open of this one. Oh, bloody hell. No, I won't. That was very nice of them to send it over. I've also got these. Oh yeah, these are still in here. This is from the brand Hollow and Glow that you can get at Primark. They're like peel-off masks. peel off masks are so much fun. There you go, see look, oh they're so bright and colourful, they're just so cute. And there are also these ones that they've released as well, and they're the Charge It masks, but I need to try one of these. You can get like a silver one, this really nice like blue coloured one, a gold one, a white one, and a flipping rose gold one. I can have a rose gold face. So I've got this little box here. I have no idea what's inside. Oh my god. That smells so nice. Oh, there's like loads of little blobs in here. Like little blobs. Are they like little bath bombs? There's a little note here, hang on. So they're little wax melts. Oh my god, I thought they were bath bombs. Could you imagine if I tried throwing them in the bath? If I hadn't read this, I would have been like, what's going on? That is so cute. They smell so nice. So the brand is gowercoastcrafts.co.uk. Ah. They're all on the floor now. Oh, they smell so nice. Now this is something that I received back when we first moved here. So this is not a December product. This was ages ago, but I wanted to mention it anyway because I still haven't mentioned it in anything. And I just think it's so cute. So this was a print that I was sent from somebody who watches my videos who has like started up a little like business making prints. And I just think it's so sweet. I love the like pink background and then it says, never forget why you started on it. I still need to get a frame for this and like put it up somewhere because it's so cute. I think it would go so nice in my office. So it's from a girl called Amy and I'll leave her Instagram for like her prints if you want to go and check them out in the description box. But yeah, it's just designed by Amy Marie. So in my what are they called again? Vlogmas vlogs. In my Vlogmas vlogs, I opened up my like Body Shop advent calendar and I mentioned that I got the New Year's one as well, and I've had so many people saying, oh, can you unbox the New Year one, because we never got to see what was in it. So I thought I would just briefly go through it in this video. It's not very big, there's only like 5 or 6 little doors, but I thought I would have a look what's in it because I haven't opened it because like I said, I was away for like Christmas and I only got back on like New Year's Eve, so I still haven't had a chance to even open it. So this is the Christmas Day one and we've got a little Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. Ooh. And then the 26th is this one. So this is one of their glitter pots. I think there was one of these in the like big green advent calendar. So 27 is this one. I don't recognise this. This is the Hawaiian Cuckoo, don't know. Something beginning with K. Rich Nurturing Body Cream. I've never even heard of this, have I? Or maybe I have. Ooh. Day 28. We've got this one. I feel like this is so random doing this at the end, but I mean, I did get this in my PO box, so it is kind of still like a PO box unboxing thing. But I still feel like it's so random because it's like so late to be doing it. Oh. The same thing. Oh, so this is the day cream that I opened at the start, I think. Oh, I don't even know. But this is the same thing again, but the nighttime version. So you've got like a day and night moisturizer. Day number 29. So this is a matte lipstick in the shade Sienna Rose. Oh my God, I love the Body Shop's like liquid lipsticks, but I've never tried like one of their normal lipsticks. Are these new? I didn't even know they did these. Oh, it's like a really nice like nudie colour. It's literally just like a nude colour, but that is definitely my kind of shade, so I'm excited to try that. Day number 30. So we've got another one of their little headbands. I think I got this exact one in the green advent calendar, but I've now got another one. I'm sure I'll be able to give it to somebody, but these are so nice. They're so soft as well. 31 is this one. All right, so you've got another one of the little like glitter pots. And then the final one is New Year's Day. This was like a heavy one. Ooh. So inside you get one of the, I think this is a full-sized one of their face masks, which I absolutely love. These are so good. This is the Himalayan charcoal one. And yeah, I think that is everything that I've got to open from my PO box at the moment. Thank you so much to any of the brands that sent me stuff and any of you guys that sent me stuff. Thank you to all of you that also sent me Christmas cards. I've obviously already opened them in December because otherwise it would be way too late by now. But thank you so much. That was so kind of you all. And yeah, I'm very grateful for everything. I'm so excited to try everything. I feel like some testing videos are on the way. Give the video a thumbs up, like I said, if you'd like me to do these more often and if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!